Updates now. From being a coronavirus hotbed a month back, Malegaon has now finally shown signs of improvement at this point. The total number of cases, however, still stands at over 800 in the area. There has been a considerable decline in the doubling period, the number of fatalities and also the number of active cases in the area. The recovery rate in this very densely populated area is 82% now, which is why it's better than Maharashtra's recovering rate, which is at 49%. Let me bring in my colleague Santhya for further understanding of what really worked in this area. Santhya, over to you. If you can help us understand how Malegaon is doing better. There are, of course, considerable signs which show that there are areas of improvement. But help us understand what has been the numbers like before and what is the numbers now.
See, Apurva, to understand what kind of improvement Malegaon has witnessed, let's focus on the numbers. So talking about the doubling rate, that has become 94 days from 4 days. That's a significant development. The recovery rate of the area is 82%. The number of cases, the number of active cases as of now are 83, and the total cases have been 867, and the recoveries have been more than 700. In fact, if we talk about the deaths also, earlier the average death was 3 to 4 per day. That has almost become zero. In fact, if we talk about the number of cases being recorded on an average per day, in the month of May, it was 15, and in the month of June, it has become 8. So these are some of the numbers which are indicating towards the betterment of the situation, Apurva. And let's also understand what, according to district administration, worked in the place. So first and foremost was the implementation of lockdown and containment zones, marking of containment zones and ensuring that people adhere to the containment and lockdown guidelines in those areas. And to manage that area, according to district administration, they decided that the size of area was something they focused on. The containment areas in Malegaon are not too big, not too small. They're easy to focus and manage in maintaining the number of people they align there. Now, other thing which worked was providing essentials to those people who are in those containment areas so that they don't really get a reason to step outside. Another thing which, according to district administration, helped was involving the local people, community leaders, and the influential people in the society to spread awareness among people. Because in Malegaon, in the beginning, there was people were reluctant in sharing information. There were apprehensions. That's why when these local people were brought into the picture, people were aware of them, people knew them, people had faith in them. That's why they started imparting with information, and that helped the administration track down the problematic areas and the people who were at a risk. Now, apart from that, another thing which happened was Malegaon is an area where there's a significant Muslim population, and the area actually witnessed its peak during Ramzan as well. That's why the swab samples which were collected, they were collected either during Iftari or during Sehri, the 2 times in a day when, while observing Ramzan, those who observe Ramzan eat. So that's why the people were more open to giving swab samples as well. So these are some of the things, Apurva, which worked in the area according to district administration. Apurva.
All right. In fact, those are some very important updates that you've given us as to what are the reasons and what are the factors that really work. But also, Santhya, if you can help us understand for the benefit of our viewers, the area that Malegaon is, the kind of demography of Malegaon, the number of people who stay there, and why it was a challenge in the first place. We have been talking about how Malegaon has been a hotbed and now things have worked out. But what kind of area Malegaon is? What was the biggest challenge before Malegaon and to reduce the number of cases in this manner?
Purva, Malegaon is located in Maharashtra's Nasik area, and that place is actually highly populated. It's densely populated. It's more of rural population. And talking about the major challenges, bringing the people on the board was one of the major challenges which district administration faced. Sensitizing people, spreading awareness, convincing them to impart with information during screening. These were some of the challenges according to district administration. That's why they had to involve local people to ensure that people come forward and share information. Why exactly this? Since when the area started becoming a problem, in the month of May, actually in the beginning of May, 1st of May, the cases were around more than 250. But by the time it was the 1st of June, the cases were about 750. So we can understand the rate at which the cases were increasing in the area. But now, after 12 to 14 days, the area has started witnessing a decline in the number of cases, in the death rate, recovery rate has improved. In fact, the swab samples also, which used to be pending, which used to remain pending per day, 800 to 900 swab samples used to remain pending for test results. Now that number has also come down significantly to 50 to 60 swab samples remaining pending for test reports per day. So these are the kind of improvements the area witnessed, and that's why
Okay.
it's stated that the area has witnessed flattening of corona curve. Apurva.
All right, Sandhya, many thanks for joining us and bringing us all those updates.